Surviving narcissistic abuse is a journey of resilience and self-discovery, especially for empaths. These sensitive souls, deeply affected by toxic relationships, embark on a path to healing that leads to profound transformations. Here are 10 significant experiences empaths may undergo as they navigate life after narcissistic abuse. 1. Heightened awareness of toxic dynamics. The aftermath of narcissistic abuse leaves empaths with a heightened sensitivity to manipulative behaviors and toxic patterns. This newfound clarity acts as a guiding light, empowering them to set and enforce healthier boundaries not only in their relationships, but also in various aspects of their lives. 2. Intense self-reflection and growth. In the crucible of narcissistic abuse, empaths find the impetus for intense self-reflection. They scrutinize their own beliefs, values, and boundaries. This process of introspection becomes a catalyst for growth, allowing them to shed old patterns and evolve into stronger, more authentic versions of themselves. 3. Hypervigilance in relationships. Emerging from the shadows of abuse, empaths carry with them a newfound vigilance. They approach new relationships with a discerning eye, carefully observing for any signs of manipulation or toxicity. This hypersensitivity serves as a self-protective mechanism, a testament to their commitment to safeguarding their emotional well-being. 4. Heightened sensitivity to energy. Having experienced the draining effects of narcissistic abuse, empaths develop a finely tuned sensitivity to the energy around them. They learn to discern environments that nurture their emotional health from those that deplete it. This acute awareness becomes a guiding compass, leading them towards spaces and relationships that resonate with their newfound sense of self. 5. Cautious trust building. Rebuilding trust becomes a deliberate, measured process for empaths. Scarred by past experiences, they approach new connections with caution, allowing trust to develop organically over time. Each step towards trust is a testament to their courage and commitment to reclaiming their own agency. 6. Empathy reinvented. While empaths may have previously been prone to overextending themselves, they now learn to balance their empathy with self-preservation. They come to understand that self-care is not selfish, but a necessary foundation for their own well-being. This newfound equilibrium allows them to continue offering their empathy from a place of strength and self-assuredness. 7. Embracing solitude as a sanctuary. In the wake of narcissistic abuse, empaths come to appreciate and even crave solitude. It becomes a sanctuary for healing, reflection, and recharging their emotional batteries. Here, in the quiet corners of their own company, they find solace and strength, a space where they can tend to their own needs with tender care. 8. Advocacy for others, turning pain into purpose. Having walked through the fire of narcissistic abuse, empaths often become passionate advocates for others facing similar challenges. They channel their experiences into a powerful force for good, offering support, guidance, and empathy to those in need. Their journey becomes a beacon of hope for others, a testament to the transformative power of resilience. 9. Creative expression as therapy. Many empaths turn to creative outlets like writing, art, or music as a means of processing their emotions and reclaiming their narrative. These expressive forms become a medium through which they articulate their pain, their healing, and their triumphs. In this creative alchemy, they find catharsis and a sense of agency over their own stories. 10. Rediscovering inner strength. Ultimately, surviving narcissistic abuse allows empaths to tap into an inner strength they may not have known they possessed. They emerge from the experience with a newfound sense of resilience and self-assuredness. This inner fortitude becomes the bedrock upon which they build their futures, a testament to their capacity not only to survive but to thrive. The journey of surviving narcissistic abuse is a testament to the strength, resilience, and unwavering spirit of empaths. These 10 shifts in mindset and behavior represent the transformative power of self-love, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit. As they emerge from the shadows of abuse, empaths not only heal but bloom into beacons of hope and inspiration for others on similar journeys of transformation and healing.